Today I'm going to be planting watermelons and cantaloupes. So just to kind of show you how I do that, I'm going to do a little video here and show you what's going on. This is where the watermelons are going to be planted. I'll pull that, this just leaf mulch is what it is, away. And this bed has already been fertilized, so I'm just going to direct seed them in there. I'll put way more than what I need. I put the seeds in I put my cantaloupe and watermelon seeds in a glass jar, or glass, with water in it. And so what I do is I soak them overnight so that, you know, they'll germinate faster that way. And you can tell if a seed's viable, or one of the indicators is if it sinks, it means the embryo inside of it has absorbed the water, and all these sank. I collected these seeds out of stuff I grew last year. So in the rest of the video, I'm just going to show you where I put them, and then we're going to wait. It takes 7 to 10 days for them to germinate. I think it's warm enough now. They say that with melons, you're supposed to wait until the temperatures are at least 50 degrees at night, and we're pretty much there now. All right, so that's it for planting the cantaloupes. I probably put 20 seeds in there. I'm only looking for 4 plants. So I spread them out, and you know, you got to hedge your bets against the sow bugs and the grubs eating your seeds or seedlings. And also you want to pick the strongest plants, because there's going to be some that are strong and some that aren't. So what I'll do is I'll thin them out once they grow up and get a couple of leaves on them, and pick the strongest ones out, and they'll climb that trellis. So now I'm going to go over and do the same thing with the watermelon plant. So I pulled the compost and those leaves back away from that, so there'll be time to put that back in around once the plants get established. I'll use that as kind of a mulch around there, and that'll help them. Okay, so that's the watermelons planted. Probably got a couple other little things I want to do out here today. I already planted my jalapenos and serrano peppers in these pots where the radishes were. Where are they? Right here. Actually, this is where the lettuce is, not radish. Anyway, and right here. And I've got in that radish pot right there, I planted yellow summer squash, and none of them germinated. So I don't know if they're old seeds or what. But in here I planted zucchini, and I got one came up, and actually 2 of them. That one just sprouted yesterday. So these radishes will be done soon, and then this will be dedicated to zucchini. So over there, since I didn't get any germination, I'm going to put one of those Casper eggplants in there. And I'm about to do that right now, but I'm not going to video that. I'm just going to do that the same as I planted these other ones. You may remember if you watch my videos, unless you don't watch them to the end. But anyway, these I planted the other day, and they all look good. They've all grown, so that's good. Everything's growing fast right now. It's nice weather for growing right now. And so we got to get it in before the heat gets here and starts killing everything. Later today I'm going to go to the Harbor Freight and get a rope to put that other shade cloth up. And that's going to be it for today, probably. Got to make tacos later. It's Tuesday.